Welcome to the MS English. Vital synonyms: talk, speak, swim, float, take, grab, teach, instruct, tell, inform, thank, appreciate, think, consider, throw, toss, tie, fasten, touch, feel, train, teach, travel, journey, treat, handle, try, attempt, turn, rotate, understand, comprehend, use, employ, visit, go to, wait, stay, walk, stroll, want, desire, warn, advise, watch, observe, win, triumph, wish, hope, work, labor, worry, concern, write, record, yell, shout, agree, consent, angry, furious, bad, poor, beautiful, lovely, big, huge, brave, courageous, bright, radiant, busy, occupied, calm, peaceful, cheap, inexpensive, clean, tidy, clever, smart, cold, chilly, dark, gloomy, difficult, hard, easy, simple, empty, vacant, famous, well-known, fast, quick, fat, overweight, friendly, kind, full, complete, generous, kind, good, fine, happy, glad, hard, tough, heavy, weighty, honest, truthful, hot, warm, kind, caring, large, big, late, delayed, lazy, idle, light, bright, little, small, long, lengthy, loud, noisy, lucky, fortunate, modern, contemporary, narrow, tight, near, close, new, fresh, old, ancient, poor, needy, powerful, strong, quick, fast, quiet, silent, rich, wealthy, right, correct, safe, secure, short, brief, simple, easy, slow, sluggish, small, tiny, smart, clever, soft, smooth, strong, powerful, sweet, sugary, tall, high, thin, slim, tight, close fitting, ugly, unattractive, warm, hot, weak, feeble, wet, damp, wide, broad, wise, clever, young, youthful, angry, mad, quiet, calm, funny, amusing, pass, go by, pay, spend, pick, select, place, put, plan, arrange, play, perform, point, indicate, pollute, contaminate, postpone, delay, pour, tip, practice, train, praise, compliment, prefer, choose, prepare, get ready, press, push, pretend, act, prevent, stop, print, publish, protect, shield, provide, supply, pull, drag, punish, penalize, push, press, put off, delay, quiet, silent, raise, lift, rich, arrive, read, study, realize, understand, receive, get, reduce, decrease, refuse, reject, relax, rest, release, free, rely, depend, remove, eliminate, repair, fix, repeat, reiterate, replace, substitute, reply, respond, report, inform, rescue, save, rest, relax, return, come back, reveal, show, ride, travel, ring, call, rise, increase, roll, spin, rub, wipe, rule, govern, run away, escape, rush, hurry, save, store, say, speak, scare, frighten, search, look for, see, notice, select, choose, sell, trade, send, dispatch, serve, provide, set, place, shake, tremble, share, distribute, shine, glow, shout, yell, show, display, shut, close, sing, chant, sit, settle, sleep, slumber, slide, glide, slip, fall, slow, reduce speed, smile, grin, solve, fix, speak, talk, spend, use, spill, splash, spin, twist, split, divide, spoil, ruin, spread, scatter, stand, rise, start, begin, stay, remain, steal, rob, stop, halt, store, keep, stray, wander, stress, pressure, study, learn, succeed, achieve, suggest, propose, support, help, suppress, control, surprise, amaze, surround, enclose, sweep, clean,